Hopefully, most people have some sort of ready-to-go disaster kit in their homes. However, not many of us have kits specifically designed for the zombie apocalypse. There are a few essential guns, knives, and weapons you should have to defend against zombies, as well as other crucial gear and supplies. Meet this thermal eye camera, which helps find and locate suspects and victims. Here's a handy scissors that can be used for trimming leaves or can be used in an emergency situation. Let's get prepared with the perfect survival kit. Though it's not ideal, there's a good chance that you'll be moving a lot during the zombie apocalypse, or at the very least going out for supplies once you no longer have stuff in your bunker. This massive assault backpack can help you collect 3 days of supplies. The durable bag has a host of features that include heavy-duty zippers and utility-style cord pulls, side and front load compression system. While there are better fire starter kits out there, we know that many of us are not being trained by Bear Grylls the day before the zombie apocalypse. With that being said, we need products that are easy to operate. We're sure that after years of lasting in hell on earth, you're sure to adapt. In the meantime, this will help you easily start a fire thanks to the built-in flint wheel lighter. The orange metal safety case is also water resistant, so it should last you a while. Even at the moment, you should be carrying a Swiss Army knife around, as these handy multi-tools literally embody the Be Prepared mantra. Swiss Army knives are easy to use and are mini mobile toolboxes that will allow you to tackle the task on the fly. A Swiss Army knife is a given during the zombie apocalypse, a versatile screwdriver that has everything the professional needs. It's designed to meet a variety of needs such as domestic appliances, furniture, automotive, factory, and everyday. Make tough cuts with strength and control. These scissors are always on hand and can be used for trimming leaves, cutting off tags, clipping coupons, or emergency situations. Zombie killing is a 24/7 job. If you think the undead will stop coming through the early morning hours, you have another thing coming. Make sure you see them coming in pure darkness with this device. Lightweight, waterproof, and shock resistant, this is the perfect set of eyes for the night. The L3X50's primary mission is to support first responders with rapid, easy-to-use handheld thermal vision hardware that helps find and locate suspects and victims. Because criminals can't hide their heat, this camera is the perfect partner in fighting crime, detecting heat signatures up to 1,000 feet away. This includes heat signatures in total darkness or when vision is compromised by smoke, bright lights, glare, or shadows. The camera excels in other applications as well, such as fugitive pursuit, search and rescue, disturbed surface assessment, target location, force protection, and routine patrols. The L3X50 is equipped with a variety of must-have features for public safety and security professionals, including a variable brightness display option that adjusts to virtually any lighting condition, a rugged design built to withstand a 6-foot drop onto concrete or underwater submersion up to 9 feet, and a long eye relief viewfinder for use with glasses, face shields, or masks. A good pair of steel toe boots are a must. We love Wolverine because the brand always delivers high-quality work boots at prices that don't break the bank. This particular model features a full-grain leather upper paired with a man-made sole and, of course, that steel safety toe. Also available in an optional steel toe, Wolverine's 6-inch leather wedge heel style design is ideal for construction, loading dock, and other manual work. It's built using classic Goodyear welt construction for durability and flexibility and equipped with a removable full cushion footbed, springy rubber midsole, and a nylon shank that absorbs shock and helps keep your feet stress-free. There's something about cracking a zombie over the head with a baseball bat that has us feeling like kids on Christmas. If you're gonna go this route, make sure you're equipped with one of these bad boys. Made from durable polypropylene, this baseball bat is nearly indestructible. There are no questions about it, you'll need a flashlight. While you could spend an arm and a leg on a good flashlight, this Ultrafire tactical flashlight is perfect for the job and won't set you back too much. Features include 1000 lumen output, 3 separate modes, water-resistant aluminum alloy design, and of course can be mounted to a tactical rail. This lightweight axe features a stainless steel blade that is perfect for silent kills. This thing also comes wrapped with 14 feet of removable paracord, carabiner, and military-style compass. The top of the head is sharpened and tapers to spike pick on the opposite end. The bottom portion of the handle is wrapped with a black nylon cord. Black nylon belt sheath holds axe and compass. When the going gets tough, you're gonna need to keep your face protected from the flesh-eating monsters with a solid face mask helmet combo. Developed specifically for military training programs, this setup is ideal for any zombie fighting occasion. There's a good chance there are other survivors out there, and the ACR Aqualink personal locator beacon is the perfect way to help them find you. The beacon comes equipped with internal GPS, 5-year battery life, and will send a distress call for anyone looking for survivors. This ACR PLB operates with Class 2 non-hazmat lithium batteries, which must be replaced every 5 years. Once the PLB has been activated, the battery will typically exceed 24 hours, transmitting a GPS signal. What if humanity's worst fears are realized? If the dead walk, the continuation of the human race will become a daily struggle. Survival will come down to being prepared. Are you? The best chance lies in Gerber's Apocalypse Kit. If the last remnants of society fall and the world goes dark, the only thing that will matter is if you've prepared for the unknown. When the war for survival is brought to your doorstep, the right gear is crucial for survival. Gerber's Apocalypse Kit answers the call, including 7 made-for-disaster tools to help keep you and yours alive. Knives are quite possibly the most essential item on the list. Not only are they great for killing zombies, but they'll also come in handy elsewhere. While we could have listed out a ton of different knives you could pick up, it's better to bundle things in a canvas-constructed package designed specifically for an outbreak. The whole kit is housed in a durable canvas case with a reinforced stitching, button closure, and a handle that is able to be rolled up and on the road in a hurry. No matter the zombie carnage encountered, you're ready with everything from machetes to axes to pocket knives. Multi-tools are a given in any survival situation. This multi-tool comes complete with stainless steel handles, wire cutters, serrated knife, needle nose, and regular pliers, saw, hammer, and a whole lot more. While you may not be equipped with an assault rifle when the world ends, you're sure to acquire one at some point during your journeys on post-apocalyptic Earth. This is exactly why the firearm disassembly punch, cleaning rod, and brush adapters are great additions to an already solid multi-tool. It even comes in a black sheath for easy transport. These top-of-the-line binoculars will help you identify friends and foes far beyond what your eyes can see. The binoculars are completely waterproof, feature 8.5 times magnification, 45mm objective lens, and the fact that they have a lifetime warranty tell us that they were built to last. Vanguard's multi-guard coatings provide multiple layers of anti-reflective compounds, resulting in optimal light transmission and producing a remarkably clear field of view. Vanguard's extra-low dispersion EDE glass significantly reduces chromatic aberrations, allowing clear, sharp viewing with high contrast. Vanguard's O-ring seals completely to prevent moisture, dust, and debris from entering the optics. Nitrogen purging prevents fogging in extreme weather conditions. The diopter lets users adjust the focus to accommodate differences between each of their eyes. The diopter rings lock so that adjustments don't need to be made before each use. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the following videos here.